Hi guys, in today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make cabbage cutlets. These are a perfect snack for whenever you're craving something light, or you want a snack, or you have guests over and you want to make them something and surprise them. And in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's get straight into the video. I'm going to start by taking around half a flower of cabbage and just grating this nicely, making sure it's manageable, it's small and easy to work with. And to this I'm going to then add one medium-sized onion roughly chopped. I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of chopped green chilies. I've got about 2 small green chilies here nicely chopped. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, this is crushed, you can also use ground. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Using a fork, spatula, wooden spoon, anything you want to combine all the ingredients well, making sure that the spices and the flavors are covering the cabbage nicely and all of your ingredients are well combined. I'm now going to add around half a cup of corn flour and 1 cup of gram flour. Gram flour is the most important in this, as it's what allows us to fry. And then I'm going to add in some water bit by bit, just to make a nice smooth batter, not too thick but just smooth enough so that the cabbage is well held. You want it to be at a consistency where you can shape the cabbage when you hold it in your hand and you can form cutlets like this. And once you've reached that, we're going to then take about a handful of the mix and form the cutlet shape with our hands, using mostly the palm of my hand and my fingers, and then set these aside. I've got majority of my cutlets here ready. You can also freeze these for future preparation. I'm making these right away. You're going to fry this in about a cup of oil at a low to medium flame, making sure that you flip them occasionally once they start turning golden brown, and just let these cook for about 5 to 7 minutes on both sides. You don't need too long, as you want your cabbage to remain crispy, you want texture. So just fry these until they're crispy, they look very nice and golden, and then take them out on a tissue, strain all of the oil and put them on a plate, and they are ready to serve. Once you've fried them, you want to serve them immediately whilst they're hot, so they have the best flavor and they're most enjoyable. So I'm just taking out the cutlets, putting them on a plate. I strained them well, so I didn't put a tissue underneath, but you can add an absorbent paper or a tissue to drain the excess oil if you're trying to be health conscious. And this is the final look. They are nicely cooked, as you can see. I'm breaking them apart. They're not too hard, not too soft. The inside is still nice, crunchy. The cabbage has its texture, the taste. And that is how easy it is to make this. You can add your favorite sauce to this. You can add ketchup, you can make a mint sauce, any chutney of your choice. They taste absolutely delicious. I want you all to try this. Please let me know how it goes for you, and stay tuned to have more recipes like this in the future. Stay happy and stay healthy. Bye guys.